Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we talk about adaptations in animals. First, we need to know what is adaptations and habitat. Habitat are the natural surroundings in which an organism lives. For example, camel lives in desert. The desert is the habitat. What are adaptations? Special body features that help an organism to survive in its habitat are known as adaptations. For example, camels live in desert. Desert is the habitat, but adaptations are the special body features that help camel to survive in the desert. The animals are divided into many groups such as terrestrial animals, arboreal animals, aerial animals, aquatic animals and amphibians. Terrestrial animals are the animals that live on land. Arboreal animals are the animals that spend most of their time on trees. Aerial animals are the animals that spend most of their time in flying. Aquatic animals are the animals that live in water. Amphibians, animals that live both on land and in water, are called amphibians. Terrestrial animals are camels, polar bears, snakes and kangaroo. Terrestrial animals have well-developed legs that help them walk, escape from enemies, hop, jump and so on. But scales do not possess legs. Why they are known as terrestrial animals? Snakes are known as terrestrial animals because they move with their help of scales by sliding on the land. How camels are adapted to live in deserts? Camels have many adaptations that help them to survive in deserts. Some adaptations are: they have thick skin that protects them from intense heat. Large padded feet help to walk on soft sand. Toes are joined that prevent their body from sinking in sand. The inner portion of their mouth is leather-like that help them to eat thorny desert plants. Food and water is stored in the hump as fat. Long legs keep their body away from the warm sand. They have long eyelashes that protect their eyes from sandstorms. Their nostrils can be closed or opened at will. This protects their nostrils from sandstorms. Polar bears are also terrestrial animals. But what are the adaptations that help them to survive in their region? Polar bears are well adapted to survive in the cold Arctic regions. They have a thick layer of fur present on their body. They have a thick layer of fat called blubber present under the skin of polar bears that help them from the extreme cold conditions. They have rough and non-slip soles that prevent their body from slipping on ice. To protect themselves from the extreme cold conditions, they go under hibernation. In the previous sentence, I say the word hibernation. But what is hibernation? Some animals such as bears, squirrels and rats sleep for long winter months when food is scarce. This inactivity helps them to conserve energy till food is available again. This winter inactivity is called hibernation. What is aestivation? Some desert animals such as camels slow down their activities and become inactive. They do this to avoid damage from high temperature and reduce water loss from their body. Aerial animals are almost all birds, but some birds such as kiwi, ostrich, and penguin are not covered under aerial animals. What are the adaptations that help birds to survive in their habitat? Birds have wings that are covered with feathers. They have a lightweight body that helps them fly easily. They have a streamlined body, which means the body which is tapering at both ends and broad in middle. And this streamlined body helps them to fly easily. Arboreal animals are monkeys and squirrels. What are the adaptations of monkeys and squirrels? Monkeys have long, strong limbs and a long and strong tail that help them to climb the tree easily. The claws of squirrels help them to hold on to the branches of trees while sitting or climbing on them. Aquatic animals are almost all fishes and sharks. What are the adaptations of fishes and sharks? Fishes have fins that help them to swim in water. But how does fish breathe? Fish breathe with the help of gills. Let's study about the process of breathing of fishes. First, the fish take water through gills. Second, the water passes over the gills and comes out from the flap region. Third, there are a number of blood vessels passing over them. The blood takes in oxygen from the water, and at the same time, carbon dioxide is released in the water by the gills of the fish. Some birds such as ducks, flamingos and cranes in or near water. Ducks have webbed feet that help them swim and move easily through water. They have broad and flat beaks that help them to grab food in water, filter out excess water and unwanted food. Cranes and flamingos have special adaptations that help them live near or in water. Amphibians are salamanders, toads and frogs. They possess legs that help them to breathe when they are on land. Their moist skin helps them to breathe in water. They have webbed feet that help them to swim in water.